Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Marion Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. A cheap Marion moving company will make sure you get the local and long distance moving services you need. 3 Movers is the affordable and trustworthy moving team you need. Our movers work with all kinds of people trying to move down the road or across the country. If it's time to move, let us make it easier for you. Our team of movers offers all the right long distance moving options you need, including packing services. You don't have to touch a single box when you hire us to do the packing and unpacking for you. Moving supplies. We use only the best moving supplies and packing materials to ensure your things are well protected. An on-time move. You don't have to worry about how moving day will go when you hire us. We show up on time, ready to work. Upfront pricing. Getting a moving estimate from us is the first step in setting your budget properly. Licensed and insured. Your stuff will be well protected throughout the entire moving process with us. Trusting the right movers to help you get where you need to go is a big deal. Relocating takes up a lot of time and energy. Turn over the actual moving process to us, and you will have one less thing on your checklist to worry about. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Marion moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.